She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes. She can ruin your faith with her casual lies. But she only reveals what she wants you to see. She steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe you. And she can't be convicted, she's earned her degree. And the most she can do is throw shadows at you, 'cause she's always a woman to me. And oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, no, she never gives out, and she never gives in. She just changes her mind. She's frequently kind and suddenly cruel. She can do as she pleases, she's nobody's fool. But she can't be convicted, she's earned her degree. And the most she will do is throw shadows at you, 'cause she's always a woman to me. Oh,